Hi, we're Jenna Andrew, a couple from Texas who've been living in Sevilla, Spain for the past 8 months. Besides being the creators of this beautiful channel, we're also English assistants in public schools as well as English tutors online. Our life right now is hectic, but we wanted to show you what a typical day in our life looks like for us.
Good morning! We're very excited because now we're going to show you a week in our life here in Sevilla. Starting with this morning. It is currently 6:38. I woke up at 6. The problem is I don't actually get up at 6. I normally stay in bed. But at least I've made coffee and I have all of my materials here in front of me to start my morning. Normally today I don't go in until around 11 a.m. but I like to use this morning to try to get things done, whether that's practicing Spanish, practicing languages, preparing for classes this week. But yeah, I think the coffee's done, so I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Good morning! Now is the time where we drink coffee and we discuss what are we gonna do one day?
What's the meaning of life?
What's the meaning of life? Are we gonna be digital nomads? Are we gonna get a cottage in the mountains? We're already on it before 7 a.m. We talk about these things.
Yeah.
And then after we get that out of our system, we do some studying in Spanish. What are you reading?
Harry Potter y el prisionario de Azkaban.
My book is Vacaciones en Suecia. Anyways, cheers.
Cheers.
To a Monday in May.
And now our favorite part of the morning. These are about to fall out. These would be overnight oats. Normally we try to prepare these every night. Sometimes it doesn't go to plan, but on Mondays we have to have them to kind of start the week. It really helps. Except the problem today is that I made a ton. Like we could probably split one of these.
Usually Andrew's the one making them every night, which is pretty cool. Now it's really simple. It's just oats with milk, then some yogurt. Oh, I forgot cinnamon. And then frozen fruit. And in the morning, we top it with granola and honey.
Douse it in honey.
Oh my god.
That's not even that much. Nice and colorful. Something kind of interesting that I've been doing is timing myself doing activities. Now this is like super recent, like the past 5-6 days maybe. I don't know, it kind of just helps me like focus and being a little bit more present in what I'm doing and being like, okay, 30 minutes of reading, not that bad. And then I'll just time myself. And when the time goes up, I stop. Sounds simple, right? Okay, so now it is currently 8:20. Jenna leaves here, I believe, in the next 15 minutes. We got up pretty early today. I'm not gonna lie, this normally is not how this goes. Normally we'll sit, scroll on our phones, on Instagram. I get on Twitter a lot, but today we felt a little bit more productive. So if you're seeing this and you're like, dang, they're really productive, It just varies day by day. We like to try to do a lot on Mondays just so it helps us get ready for the week, but I'm not gonna lie. Normally it's not like this.
All right, I'm ready, I'm dressed, but I'm about to leave for school. Andrew and I never get to go to school at the same time. So we go separately. I go first on Mondays, then he goes first on Tuesdays. We switch off basically, but we're never going at the same time. Goodbye.
I love you.
I'm off to school. All
Bye.
right. Goodbye. I will see you later.
And now the party begins. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I get super bored normally on Mondays. And the fact that I've kind of done everything that I've wanted to do in the morning. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do, honestly. Definitely gonna shower. That's a priority. I don't know, maybe plan out a trip or plan some things that we need to get done. It's currently 8:31 and I leave here in about, 2.5 hours. So, got a lot of time. Time for a shower. Ta-da! Okay, so now it is exactly 9:30. The past 30 minutes have just been a little bit of me doing what I normally do. Sit down, watch a YouTube video, get out of the flow a little bit. But now, I actually have to do some planning. So we have a trip coming up, not this weekend, but the next weekend that I need to plan for. And we have a whole trip in June that we're ongoing planning right now. So I'm gonna try to figure some things out. We have almost all of our travel booked for June, but we do not have the accommodation. So we really need to get that figured out. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I found this energetic, upbeat lo-fi playlist on Spotify, and anytime I'm working, that is what is on. So anytime I'm doing things and trying to be productive, it's what I play in the background. And for some reason, it just really helps me stay focused. So I'm just gonna turn that on full blast and get to work.
Today's my long day. I have 6th grade, 4th grade, 1st grade, and 3rd grade. My 3rd grade class is for 90 minutes that I teach. But I'm starting off with 6th grade. I'm gonna do an easy activity.
This has not gone as I was expecting, really. The Madrid Airbnb that I wanted to book is gone. Yeah, so far, not a great start, but we're just gonna keep going. I gotta find an Airbnb for Madrid or else we're screwed. It's now 10:10. I'm gonna leave here around 10:45 most likely. And then my train is at 10:57. So still have 50 minutes to try to hopefully secure one thing. And then we go to school. It is currently 10:37. I gotta leave here in about 10-ish minutes. The trains here are just ridiculous. Sometimes it's early, sometimes it's late, so I should probably be there just a tad early. But yeah, this is my normal Monday morning, and I try to make this as productive as possible. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. So yeah, that's just the morning of Andrew. I am running late.
Okay, about to start my last class, which is my 3rd grade 90-minute class. Waiting for them to get back from recess or recreo. We're learning about jobs today, so it'll be fun. Just finished and I'm walking now from the school. It was definitely a long day. And if it was a long day for me, then it was a long day for my students too. But it was a good one. It was really good. Look who it is.
I forgot about recording.
Oh my gosh.
After school, when we have to wait an hour for the train, we stop by a local restaurant bar and drink Coke Zeros and eat snacks. Or frutos secos, but they're not really dried fruit. So.
It's now 2:51, and what are we gonna do the rest of today?
Teach more.
More?
Yeah, first our train will be here at hopefully like 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna teach from around like 4 to 7, I think. And then Jenna's from what, 4 to 5:30?
4 to 6.
4 to 6.
More teaching, more teaching. Let's go, let's go. But this time online.
Hello, it's 3:51. I have 9 minutes until my first class. Just making a little pick-me-up. We are a little bit low energy normally when we get back from school. So try to have a little pick-me-up and then we get back to teaching. I'll see you at 7. So not only do we teach a language online, we also learn a language online.
Muchas gracias. Adios.
As you may know, we've been living in Sevilla, Spain, and have to use Spanish every single day, which is why in our free time we work a lot to improve our language skills. And lately, we've been using Lingoda, who is the sponsor of today's video. Lingoda is an online language school designed for people learning German, French, English, or Spanish. It's a really great way to learn from native speakers, and you can take your classes from anywhere at any time. Lingoda helps you every step of the way from A1 to B2 or C1, depending on the language, by introducing different topics in small groups or private one-on-one classes.
So, if you're interested in Lingoda, click our link in the description below for more information and to try their 7-day free trial where you'll get 3 free small group classes.
Also, if you'd like it and you decide to continue, you can get a 30% discount on your first payment. So, thank you Lingoda for sponsoring today's video.
The bad part about teaching kids online is a lot of times they'll just like not show up because they don't want to take class after class. What's not nice is that I only receive a third of the payment from that class if they don't show up.
Yeah, it's 3:59. Oh, it's 4. I gotta munch on my cheese and get going. Have fun!
It's now 4:05 and my student's still not here. Anywho. Okay, I just finished with my second one, so I'm about to hop into my third one, and for some reason I have all boys today. All Turkish boys, actually. And he's calling now, so. Hi, Engine! Hi, how are you today? Hi, Alex! You're very good at English. 3! Aww. I looked so much fresher this morning. But Andrew's still teaching. But I finished at around 6 and it's now 6:53. So I ran to the store to get some essentials for dinner, and I also got our favorite juice. We just recently discovered this. So I was pouring myself a glass and Andrew was like trying to tap me and say he wanted one. And while I wait for him to cook dinner, because Andrew's been cooking dinner, I'm gonna do a sopa de letras, which is a word search. I'm really trying to get away from scrolling because I find that I use scrolling to escape, and even though it feels good in the moment, afterwards I feel drained. So trying to find other ways to relax that's not looking at my phone. And it's hard when you're not really in a relaxing setting.
Yeah, there's the Foley on the beach as well. So at Rio, it's really like the atmosphere is more.
Experience totally different things too. So that's the
Yeah, for sure.
That's the other thing. I'm not the right person to talk to if you don't want to quit your job. I'm like, just go for it. You should quit. Which I know isn't always the best advice, but. All right, Santiago.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
See you next time.
Yay! Done with the workday
Yay.
at 7 p.m.
Oh. Wow, this is so good.
I know! Are we sure there's no added sugar? It's not too good.
Okay, everyone. This segment is called Cooking with Andrew.
Cooking with Andrew.
So it is currently...
Sorry, I can't.
Shut up! So currently it's 7 o'clock. Normally this is about time that I make dinner, and I'm gonna be making a chickpea coconut curry, and then we also have some pita bread to dip it in with.
And rice, right?
Or we could put it on rice. We could do either.
No, I think rice and then you put pita bread on the side.
Two things. Number one, at the beginning of this year, I hated cooking. And I've always told myself that I could never cook. But then, for some reason, my Instagram, the mindless scrolling turned into a little bit more productive scrolling because I started getting like chefs and like food Instagram, healthy vegan meals, healthy vegetarian meals. And I just started going to town and making fun things that I enjoyed. Let's start with our coconut chickpea curry. Dude, they didn't have frozen onion. They had like 50 bags yesterday, or like the other day.
Cash rice?
Yes.
Oh, be careful.
Also, we don't have kitchen knives. I've been cutting everything that I can with a slightly serrated knife like this. And now I'm gonna have to cut up like, not a whole onion, but a lot of an onion with a serrated knife.
That's like fresh onion and garlic.
We'll say it, that's nice. Got some different smells and flavors. I know you're supposed to use tomato paste, but we don't have tomato paste. Macaroni and cheese.
Wow, it's gonna be good. And we're gonna put it on some white rice. And then we're gonna watch Las Chicas de Cable. And we've done a lot of talking today, so we're gonna do some listening. And we're gonna watch Cable Girls, or Las Chicas de Cable.
The cheesiest show of all time.
¿A qué estamos jugando? ¿Qué fue lo que cambió de ayer a hoy para que ahora confiese todo esto?
Así que puedes estar tranquilo. Yo no voy a seguir adelante con este enfrentamiento.
Dios mío.
Alrighty, well, it is currently it's 8:45, around 8:45. Anyway, now we're gonna do the dishes, clean up, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that.
Usually we work on the vlog at this hour. We do have a lot of planning to do, but I'm trying to do a work-life balance.
No such thing as work-life balance in this world that we live in. All right, time for dishes. Well, this isn't productive. I'm not gonna lie, that meal kind of took me out. Sent me for a hot dog.
Well, I will say it's 9:18 p.m., but it looks like it should be like 7.
Yeah.
So I think a lot of times we make ourselves stay up and stay productive because it feels midday, but really it's late.
Anyway.
See, these kind of videos just expose how weird we are.
I agree, but it makes it more personal,
Authentic.
intimate. Well, honestly, I think that's it for day number 1. Monday's in the books. It's 9:23. We're honestly not gonna do too much. I'm gonna brush my teeth and most likely read until I get super tired and until it gets dark. I've got an early morning tomorrow, so I'm gonna also prepare some more overnight oats. And tomorrow's really gonna be kind of the full day. For me, at least. Good night.